Hello, I'm Mac. Many people receive the new machine. For example, it's 16C. I will show when you receive the machine, please just simple inspection the machine. So when you receive the machine, we can see this all grease point is nipple is okay or not. After checking, all machine will fill in the grease, but just in case for confirm before you work, add the grease. All grease nipple check the function. Here also have 3-piece grease nipple. One is for the swing cylinder. 2 is for the main bearing. The inside outside is bearing. So all grease points should be checked. After we can check this painting did get any touch. After you can see from the bucket set, we should be check this 3-piece teeth, also side piece teeth, confirm tight, bolt already confirm it tight. Just in case we already full tight, so all is pin lock tight, or bolt also is pin. Just the checking. After we can check this door plate. This door plate all is pin grease nipple. We can check in. We all fit in grease. Most time we can use around 4 hours or 6 hours. We can one time the filling grease. If you're not filling grease after working like 1 week, you will get some noise. So just keep this filling grease. After we can see all machine we give to the mobile holder. This to support when you work, you can hold your mobile. Also give the water cups. When you work, you can hold the 1 cup to here. After we can take this traveling lever is okay or not. This side for this boom swing, this side for the hydraulic thumb. So we just checking before start, just some checking the hydraulic cylinder have leak or not. After this important thing, we should be check the hydraulic oil. How can check the hydraulic oil? I show the which location. Because this cylinder in the upside, so we all need the cylinder into the back. After here have 1 window, we can check. This in the middle side is okay. Here for the hydraulic oil. So some people want to when he buy the machine, how long time you will be change the hydraulic oil? I think when you buy this machine after 100 hours, we all use high quality hydraulic oil 46. The number, the hydraulic oil. So when you receive the machine, just confirm the hydraulic oil level. After you use 50, I suppose it's 100 hours running. After you change the hydraulic oil filter. Almost the time we can next after 1000 we change the hydraulic oil is okay. So after we can check the engine oil. Just open back side door. We open the back side door. We can check this fuse box is low, tight or not. Also this engine controller and regulator. This fuel pump. This when you key on, it will give you some working noise. So this water separator filter, we just check around have the any coolant leaking, hydraulic oil leaking, and engine oil leaking. Just confirm in case. But before delivery, we already inspection. Just in case we checking. So after we can check the engine oil. From here we can check the engine oil level. So we just confirm the engine oil is everything is okay. Here is for error. Here for is high. So not lower here, not over to here. After Here is almost in middle side, but we all use high quality the engine oil. So when you buy this machine, after I suppose it's 50 hours, you change the one time change the engine oil. After each 200 change the engine oil is okay. Because this new engine, sometimes it's running, they get some dirty engine oil. So I think 50 hours is better for this engine. Also, we can check this mounting is tight or not. Also, the pipe. After we can check this coolant is high and low. Almost the middle side is better. We also sometimes we running every day before we working. We can check this tension. Like not too tight. If it's too tight, when you like the swing, you will get the chain pull. So just like this, not, but must be keep the tight. So before start this machine, we have main switch. Every time must be when you're not working, you close the battery switch, because in the winter time we get snow. Sometimes this public will get some salt in the road. If we keep the line on, this wire or bolt will be get the trash. So we keep always not working, keep close this switch. So before start, we can this have a glue plug. This Kubota engine, so we can use the glue plug to heat the engine. After you can start in the winter time, like 10 seconds is okay. You will get some part this noise. So after we can use the key on, we will see the display. So display show the many information. After we key on, we should check the display. The display have many information. First, we can check the fuel level, how many diesel you have. So you will keep the working continue. Not in middle road side, it's close the machine. So this upside for the battery, how many voltage. This downside have the every day how many hours you running. So this side for the temperature. These two signal after start will be gone. If the have problem will be continue have. This for engine oil pressure, and this one for the battery not charging. So after start this will be gone. You can see. This for safety switch. Keep your machine in safety. When you before start, you must be in the upside position. In upside position, all function not working. You can start the machine. After you start, you can pull this safety PTO in the downside. After all pallet joystick get the pressure, you can get the boom work. So this just for safety. This chair can adjust if you want to the front, to the back. We just when you receive, you can check this chair can front or cannot. Just can checking. Also here also can adjust the chair. So we'll always keep this canopy, as it will keep you safe. So this strong pipe. So always check this bolt and the backside bolt always be in the tight set. So always be, try to check. Also, the canopy have a 6-piece bolt. The upside have the warning light. So we will keep it on. This cover for this coolant filling, this downside is radiator. So when you stop this machine, must be not open, because the water have if the heat, they will have the pressure, they will be heat you. So after this machine keep down, when you move these caps, be careful slowly, because the inside maybe have the pressure. This machine have two functions. This one for cigarette the light. This one for USB. Support you this mobile charging, the laptop charging. So this one for armrest. You can adjust. So some high, some low, you can adjust as you like. When you want to maintain this hydraulics, here can fill in the hydraulic oil. Here is can fill in the hydraulic oil. When you receive the machine, you must be receive one gift, the toolbox. So this toolbox have the regular tools. You can support the maintenance machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know the details, you can call me. I'm Mac. Also, I appreciate you subscribe our channel. We will keep update this machine details about Huawei brand. So if you want more details, you also leave the message in this channel.